You know, it's the funniest thing. I always tell stylists are scared of clippers. Barbers are scared of shears. I don't know what it is.
Okay.
It's the same thing. Like you put a pair of shears in
Cool.
a barber, most barbers, they
Right.
freak out. Yeah, they freak out. That's why the educational piece is so important. You
Right.
know, I always say don't limit yourself in this industry. You
Exactly.
know, those guys come in, they say, hey, man, I don't want to do a roller set. I don't have to know about color. I don't have to know about a permanent wave or relaxer. Yes, you do. There's a language in this industry that you must know. And if you don't know, you can't relate. You pigeonhole yourself if you don't learn those things.
Right.
And so I always tell, expand. You have to expand that. You don't have to do it, but know it. It opens up other doors for you. So, no,
Yeah.
you're absolutely right.
Yeah, and that's what we're saying, like with texture particularly in the cosmetology arena, that everyone should be learning all textures. It's like whether you do it or not is a whole nother conversation, but you should at least have some type of working knowledge of, this is this type of texture. It's like my specialty is X, but I know someone who does this or so, so you can have some conversations about it, to have some type of knowledge about it. So
Absolutely.
yeah,
Absolutely.
yeah. That absolutely makes sense. And learn all that you can. I always tell students that, when you're in cosmetology school and when you're in barber school, even after you get out, because I think you're just graduating kindergarten when you get your license.
Pretty
There's
much.
accomplishment, but it's like there's so much more to learn.